Okay, y'all. We are out here at my place, and my friend Angela is here. You want to be on YouTube? You want me to show your face, Angela?
No, but I'm here. We don't need to see my face. I'm out here looking at a beautiful picture of Lake Pond.
Okay, Angela don't want you to see her face, but she's a city girl, but she's lived in Atlanta. She's been in the South a long time, but she's still a Yankee at heart. And she ain't never been in the country before. So
Yes, I have, but I was a kid.
she was a kid when she was in the country. But we out here, and I'm showing her around the place. So
And this is Ripley. This dog is a miracle.
yes, Ripley is better. He's out here. He can hop around on 3 legs, and he's putting weight on his leg now.
Yeah.
If y'all don't remember, he got attacked by coyotes, and but he's way better. So we'll get you back up. We're going over to the waterfall and the bluff. She thinks a bluff is a small hill. We're gonna show her different. All right, get you back up later. It is, isn't it? This is our waterfall. See, Angela, a bluff is not a small hill. It is beautiful. I didn't think there'd be any water in it right now, but they are. But it goes on down, down, down. And it goes on down to Greenbrier Cove, where my daddy was born. Way on down in the valley down there. You can just follow the creek, and it goes way on down there. Yeah. Alright, here is our creek.
I like that creek.
Yeah.
That creek is cool.
It is
I
pretty.
can stand on that creek rock and take a picture. No, come on. He
Yeah,
might
you
not be here.
Huh?
He might not be here. Now look, see?
Oh.
If I had stood over there, see, here you come.
Yeah. But
I'd like to stay dry on my return. The house is dry.
oh, I have fell in this creek before. But it's a pretty creek.
There you go. Get you some water, man. Don't let me out here walking on the sand behind you. Thirsty.
The water goes off all the way down in there. Very neat history here too. I'll tell you about it later. Let me get a video of you, Angela. Now, my grandparents, I don't know if it's true or not, but my grandparents said this is where the Indians, when it rained, the tree has a hole in it right here, and the water come out and pooled right here and right here, and they said this is where the Indians came and drank the water. Now, that's just what my grandparents said, but it makes a kind of cool legend. And then we got it down here. way on down here, and there's caves all around down here. And my grandpa used to have a still down here where he made moonshine. Maybe one day I'll take you to the still and show you, because there's still remnants of it. But that's kind of cool right there. All right, hey, this is Jamie again. We are out here and we're gonna see what we can find in this spot I was out at in the last video. Angela, my friend, is with me. Do you want to be on camera? She don't want to be on camera.
Well, how you doing? Another wonderful day.
She hollered at you. She don't want to be on camera though. But we'll get back to you if we find anything good. See you back. Oh, I think I got me a little button right here. I'm gonna clean it up and see. I'll get back to you in a minute.
A shell, and Jamie threw it at the trash can.
What? Wait, I don't know what she's talking about, y'all. But I don't know if that's a button or not. I think it might be. But I'll clean it up more when I get home and see. All right. We'll get back. I don't know what Angela's talking about here.
I found a mortar to a shell.
She says she found a mortar to a shell. And I threw it in the hole, so. But I don't know what she's talking about, y'all. Y'all. Nothing has come up so far out of this except broken pieces of glass, and we've put them in the hole over here, and it looks like I've struck water down here. I think I struck a whale because y'all hear that? Water. So there could be something down in here, I don't know. But I'm gonna dig down to the water and see. And I'll get back to you. All right, y'all, I did find me something today. I found me a button. If nothing else today, I found me a button. All right, huh? Yeah, right. I know y'all think I've been false advertising, but I ain't. There's been bottles here, and now they're just, I've threw most of them in this little hole right here, because they just been broke pieces. I don't think nothing else is here but broke pieces. So forgive me if I hyped it up. All right. You're a city. My friend Angela is saying she's a city digger, not a country digger. Okay.
But I'm in the country now, so hey. When it wrong, do it wrong.
She is from Ohio. Where the Yankees are. She's a Yankee.
We took over. We won.
She's rubbing it in, y'all.
No, I'm not.
She's rubbing it in that they won. But anyway, we come out here, and I already showed you, all we found was the glass shards, and we threw them in the hole. And the only good thing we found was a button. And that was just a regular black 4-hole button. So, but we had a good time out here, didn't we, Angela?
Had a great time. It was fun.
Yeah.
It's very interesting. It's soothing because it's so beautiful out here.
It is, isn't it?
It is.
She don't want to be on camera, so I'm not going to show her. But she don't mind saying hey.
So you'll sing it this time.
No, it's on me. It's turned on me.
There you go.
So, but we will see.
You didn't want to show me no way.
Well, I would.
I'm just
I would if you'd get over here. You said you didn't want to be showed.
Hi, everybody.
That's my friend Angela. So we're gonna go back to the house now because I think I hurt my back more. I think I did. So we'll see y'all later.